Welcome back to Coding After Work.
It is after work.
It is, at least here in Sweden.
Yeah. And we are probably, not promising anything, going to do some coding.
Well, at least you are.
Maybe. We'll see.
They will translate kitty language. Yes, let's do it. Ma apparently means come here in cat. Thindle, technically I haven't started work yet.
For most of us, it's after work in Sweden.
In Sweden.
And, you know what?
What?
Tomorrow is actually a day off for me. So this is the last day of the week. It's Friday.
Is it like a day off or is it lab day?
No, it's day off.
Oh.
It is the...
spooky day.
It's a double Friday. It's Friday today, it's Friday tomorrow.
Well, it's not technically Friday. I think Thindle is a little bit jealous or envious.
Jimmy has a day off. When did that happen last? Well, I do have a lot more days off now than I used to have.
Yeah, that's true.
Because before, where I'm working right now, I used to use all my vacation days for conferences and stuff like that.
For speaking at conferences.
Yeah. But now I can actually use my vacation days to be, well, off work.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, so some of the day, we have like 4 or 5 days that normally is
it's not a holiday?
It's not a holiday, exactly. But
and not squeeze days, as we call them here in the land of the cold.
So tomorrow is All Hallows Eve in Sweden and, well, everywhere, I guess.
It's Halloween.
Yeah. So we have a day off.
Thindle approves.
It is really nice.
It
actually.
is. It is. So what's been going on since last time?
Oh, what's been going on? Huh.
You know what I think we forgot?
No?
Our engagement anniversary yesterday. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
23 years. So it's been a while, and we're getting old.
Well, we usually don't celebrate it like that.
That's true. It's not like the anniversary.
No.
Congratulations! Thank you. It's a long time. Live long and prosper. Yes, we do actually have star dates in our rings and an insignia in our wedding bands. Yay! Married long and prosper. I love that. Yes, absolutely.
When we start up the Married Geeks channel, we must have that as a tagline. Definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
We're gonna steal that.
I was going to say the same thing, but sweeter.
Oh. Well, I know Thindle.
Oh, you do? Mm-hmm. Imagine that.
Met him many times. Lovely guy.
Yeah, he is. That's true. That's true. Thank you, Muyan.
Okay, so are we going to talk about code?
We can talk about code.
Yeah.
Do you want me to switch over? She says, and switches over. And you know what's new?
Yes, I do.
We have confetti.
And
still the cat.
It's not like the cat, though. The cat has been there for
the cat has been there. Well, I mean, I don't want the cat to feel left out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, are you always going to do that swift, look, confetti?
You want longer confetti?
Well, if we're going to have confetti, we might as well have all of it, right?
Yeah, next time we'll...
Kitty, again.
I know, right? It's the best one.
Coding after work.
At least we're not keeping the slime we had in the intro.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
I like that we're all people who loves cats. I got some chocolate from Be Quiet in my swag bag. You got chocolate? That's not fair. What? It's shaped like a keyboard. That's so cute.
I'm not sure that I should say this.
Oh no! Then that's a hard no.
No, it's not. I
That's
think
a hard
it's fine.
no. Where's the mute button?
So back in the day, when I don't remember what you were doing, but it was something code related, and you were very frustrated. So I actually just went outside, went to the store, bought some chocolate, and just slammed it on the table.
Yeah.
Now, in retrospect, that would be quiet chocolate.
For sure. For sure. Every time I opened up Visual Studio, I was swearing left, right, and center. I prefer Visual Studio Code, but that didn't exist back then.
Yeah.
I
wonder what you were doing. Maybe you were doing Windows Phone apps.
Yeah.
Could have been.
Probably.
Yeah.
One of the 2,000 million. No, I think it was Windows app, but that Windows 8, Windows Phone, same.
I remember apps. It was a good time.
Yeah. That is a really, really long URL. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Cute chocolate. And now I want chocolate, and it's all your fault.
All right, so recap from last time.
Yes.
Last time we added. Well, let's back up. Let's start with the beginning of this new season, I guess.
Are we going to call it season?
Yeah.
Okay. So in season 2, we are now updating from .NET 7 to .NET 10.
Oh, gosh, I forgot about that.
And I'm going to keep on rubbing it in.
So we went from .NET 7 to .NET 10. So that was the first
season .NET 10. I love it.
So that we went from 7 to 10, updated the only updated the template, which was I didn't think it would work, but it did. So I was very happy.
Yep.
Then in the second episode of the second season.
No, the .NET 10 season.
.NET 10, yeah. We started getting WebAssembly into the mix. So we started moving the stuff that was going on the server, moving it to APIs, and getting that working with WebAssembly. Now, we noticed that when starting WebAssembly up, it was slow.
Yeah.
Seriously slow.
Yeah, like insane. Like 1995 slow.
Like 1995 slow. Yeah, that's slow. It was like really, really old tech from like 2015. I'm actually going to bring up the code because I have fixed it. And I know that you can't see what I'm doing.
Insert floppy 42 slow. Yeah.
Let's see if the internet gods are with us.
Yeah, we've had some issues. They are digging up around this area to put in water lines or whatever that's called. However, apparently, internet runs in the same area, so it's been interesting.
The internet is a series of tubes. Let me see there.
Oh, no more private well? Yeah, we will still have our own well. The closest little, what do you call it, village? Will not, though. But we are way too far out to have to connect to the chlorinated water.
So this may be more embarrassing than the .NET 7 stuff.
Okay, tell me
because
more.
this is seriously horrible. Don't do this, people.
Tell me more.
I think we did this, and we were just
this.
okay, let's do this, just make it work, and we're gonna
Okay.
fix it later. I
Mm-hmm.
think that was what was going on. I
Yeah.
really hope that was
And
what
that's
was
also
going on.
why you have the code very far down, so we are in the way of it,
Yes,
so you don't have to
yes.
be embarrassed.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's,
Okay.
That's what we're
Okay.
doing. Let's see if I can fix that.
So close.
Maybe I can just do it like this instead. Something like that. It's not important that we can see everything.
Especially not the embarrassing thing.
Yeah.
So tell me more about the embarrassing thing.
So what we did in the previous version was that we had a method here, get conferences async.
Yeah.
So basically what that did was that it grabbed all the conferences that has less than 10 days. Weird thing, but we noticed that some user groups, because Sessionize, for example, it has user groups which are like a year or weeks or whatever. So we found a nice number saying like less than 10 days. That is probably not, it's more than 10 days. It's probably not
A conference. Yeah.
It's probably a user group or something else. So it's grabbing all the conferences that are less than 10 days.
Yeah. Because there's very few conferences that are 2 weeks in a row.
Yeah. Then it also said we were limiting it a little bit more. We were saying conferences that are still going to happen.
Yeah.
So things that has happened, we're not interested in that, but things that are in the future, we got that. So if we just jump in quickly in the next tech event in production here.
Will we have na? Well, apparently we don't even have internet, so
Yeah.
there you go.
No. So what we're doing now is that we're downloading all the conferences,
Yeah.
all the information around the conference, which is, as we can see here, 737 conferences.
Yeah.
That's
Which
a lot.
is a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's fairly fast. It's okay fast, at least.
Yeah.
I mean, we did see na, but okay.
Yeah, but also our Wi-Fi is a little bit interesting right now.
Yeah.
But yeah,
let's see what happens if we reload
unnecessary amount of data to
got
get.
a little bit of time. No. I mean, this is fairly fast.
Yeah.
But downloading a lot of data.
Yeah.
So the impact here is, of course, that it's taking unnecessarily a long time. And we also got the amount of data. So we are in this case we are running in RavenDB. We're running in the RavenDB cloud. We're running on the free version of RavenDB, and it's free to a limit.
Yeah.
And after that, we need to pay. And we have done that a couple of times because, well, we hit that limit. So if we don't get all of that data,
it would be much nicer.
It would be much nicer.
We do have an evil that Thindol wants to put in your head. Does var last 7 days equals conferences yada 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 have an off by 1 error or not? Don't remember.
Add days -7. Well, the idea is added conferences last 7 days. So I think that's fine,
suck.
right?
Yeah, well, there you go. Wait, you're pushing everything to the client unload. Well, he did say embarrassing.
Mm-hmm.
He did warn you.
Technically, I didn't push it to the client because we were using Blazor server. So we were not pushing it to the client at that point. But Last week, we did push it to the client,
Yeah.
and it took a very long time.
Yeah.
It was horrible. So,
Let's fix it.
let's fix it. And as the nice TV chef that I am, I have.
Nice.
I wanted to not do it on the stream because I have no idea what I was doing. So I kind of wanted to, okay, I'm going to do this off stream and see what happens.
So you were just doing a select star from table?
I was not.
No, because we did not get the past conferences, only the conferences that are less than 10 days and in the future.
Yep. So not
Still way too much and very close to the select star.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yep,
Phew.
yep.
Okay. So are we forgiven? It's not great, but better. Yeah. Still look good.
I think that was one of those things that, I don't know how to do multiple counts in RavenDB. Let's just go with the select and, or I actually, hey, I already have this one. Let's use that one.
Yeah. Oh, we're always forgiven. Thank you.
So to do that, we need a couple of things. The first thing is that we need an index. And we need that index to be a...
GraphQL.
What?
I don't know. Tyndall says so. GraphQL.
Are you just making things up? What am I looking for? It's not static. It needs to be... I'm blanking on the word, but it needs to be a index that is a created index, not one of those automatic indexes.
Okay.
So RavenDB will create indexes for us,
Right.
depending on the query. So we basically never need to create an index unless they're very specific and stuff like that. We do have a couple of indexes here. We have conferences by search term. We have a conference count by date because we're showing all these dates and the amount of conferences.
Yeah, and how long is left and stuff like that.
Yeah, and it's way faster to let RavenDB keep this data.
Or we can do it like Tyndall does and just rest the whole thing. Resting is good.
I've heard it is.
Yeah, I saw it on a t-shirt once.
This is one of the things that I do not appreciate with the Visual Studio 2026.
What's that?
So you see the output here.
Well, it's tiny, but yeah, I see there's a lot of output.
You see the box.
Yes, I see a box.
We used to be able to make it disappear here.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember.
Just boop, and it's gone.
Yeah.
All of them are gone
Yeah.
because the dock is gone. But now I have to go all over here and click there.
Oh. Why did they move my cheese?
I don't know. That's the only thing so far that I don't like about 2026. And I usually get to that point. This is taking up all this space, so I need to, and then I need to like the error list, the other thing, the third thing.
Yeah, that's the non-UX friendly way of doing things. Move it to the other side of the screen.
And it's not so much that they moved it. I need to close every tab.
Yeah.
But I used to be able to just close the dock. Actually, I'm gonna talk to someone about that.
You moved my cheese. No, fix it.
Either Microsoft or a therapist or something.
Or a therapist at Microsoft.
Oh, do they have that?
I don't know.
They should.
Probably.
Okay, so we got this index. And we got this result. That's a bad naming. I blame Copilot for this, or actually ChatGPT.
And there's no way of actually fixing that issue. No.
Nope. Can't do it. Can't be done.
Yeah. Don't want to upset The
If you
AI
wanna-
overlords.
If you want me to fix it, you need to come up with a name.
So what are we? What are we getting? We are getting all the conferences.
We're getting but we're getting the event end, start, CFP end, and when we created it. So it's basically date information about the conference. Probably not every date though, but
event date stuff.
okay, we're gonna keep the result.
It's a public class definition inside of another class. It's valid, but we're back to one of those things I don't like.
I'm also wondering.
My class thing results. That's even worse than mine.
I'm also thinking, why are we doing that when we're not using it down here? Do we actually use this somewhere?
I was going to say you wrote the code, but apparently you wrote half of it.
Okay, we are using it here. Okay, fair enough.
Can we have a channel point redemption so Jimmy becomes navigator instead of doing the coding? Yeah, that's going to be an expensive one. There's like at least 0 references to result. Move over to just doing the code. I don't think you want to do that. You know, and Jimmy doing the UX, he's actually better at UX than I am at coding. For sure.
I feel seen, but at the same time, like...
Are you tilting?
I feel like there's an insult in there somewhere.
No, I just said you are better at UX than I am at coding.
Yeah, and you're using like...
And the amount of chocolate I need to actually be in Visual Studio.
But you're using UX as something that I'm super bad at.
No, I did not say that. Thindle said, move over. So just doing the code and Jimmy doing the UX. And I'm just saying that you are better at UX than I am with coding. You're out of chocolate? Well, there you go. It's Zelda, isn't it? No, she can't have chocolate.
All right, so we got our index. We are setting it up. So basically what we're saying here is that we want all the conferences with less than 10 days. I actually did turn that around yesterday, so it was completely wrong. And we're selecting the dates here, like that. Then inside of our program,
off by 1 errors.
Here, no, not there.
Won't that get 9 days or less?
9, yeah, but still, 10 is kind of an arbitrary number, and apparently 9.
Yeah, I mean, as long as it's over 7 days, I think there's very few conferences that are over a week. So we're just adding a few.
Yeah, we would probably be fine with, as you say, 5.
Yeah.
Because
dates, what are they good for? But this one goes to 11.
So
yeah, dates are hard.
There we go.
Not as hard as naming though, because naming is hard.
It is. So our program. So down here somewhere. Where are you? There we go. So we are adding the index when we're starting everything up. Yeah. So that Raymond knows what to do. And with that, let's start the project and see what happens. So now we have pre-rendering, and then we're going to switch over to WebAssembly. I think we got, let's check that while this is starting. We are using interactive WebAssembly.
Chat room is awesome. Thindel said, I think I should stay quiet for like 30 seconds or so you can actually do something. But then we got a suggestion that should be a channel point redemption. Silence Thindel for 10 points. No, that will be 1,010 points. I never want to silence you.
Silence. Okay, let's see what we got here. So now it should pre-render and then switch over to WebAssembly. But I also believe I have a couple of breakpoints in here.
Can you time out mods? Permaban? No, come on.
I wonder if our internets are super bad.
Yeah, I think it is. Mine has been acting up all day. No, I will not type timeout Thindel 10 in chat.
Actually, while this is starting up, we can because breakpoints.
Oh, yeah, well, that will do.
Let's so we're getting the conference count here. We're getting the conference count here. We can continue. Pre-rendered. Nothing is happening here because we're doing the counting with JavaScript. We're not starting any JavaScript while we're pre-rendering.
Right, right.
So as soon as WebAssembly loads, this is taking a lot of time.
There's a full-on fight going on. Well, friendly fight. We're all friends. We have the suggestion to unmod Thindel and mod. Well, we can mod you, but I won't unmod Thindel because then I won't get any more cat pics.
Chocolate.
Cat pics. No! Oh, you're bad! Okay. So what will happen if I mod
War.
both of them? Well, Thindel is already... They will keep banning them.
I just got a
Total War. Do you want to try?
In Judge Dredd, the Stallone version. I don't remember the name of the character, but Judge Dredd's nemesis. He starts up a robot, and he's like, "Who are you? What do you do?" And then, "What is your mission?" And the robot's eyes switches to red, and it goes, "War."
That's what you said.
Yeah.
So, oh, I can't spell. No, I still can't spell. I'm worse than you.
Are you gonna mod
both of them? What's my instruction? War. Yeah, exactly. No, wait. What do you mean invalid? I didn't spell that correctly? Oh, might be because I'm stupid.
Nothing is happening.
Why?
Hello.
Hey! How about now? Ha! And the fight begins.
Fight. Okay, so you notice that while we were pre-rendering, we hit this breakpoint, or not this one, but a breakpoint.
Yeah.
Now WebAssembly is loading, so we're hitting this breakpoint again, this time from the client calling the API. So if we continue this, we will get to the conference accounts method. We're gonna get that again, and the component's gonna load again. and you're going to get the count.
Nice.
So we're pre-rendering, we're getting the data. We're not showing any data.
Yeah.
Because, well, we don't need to because we're using JavaScript to start counting up. But when WebAssembly takes over, WebAssembly's, hey, I don't know anything about this.
Yeah.
I need data. I'm going to get the data, and we're going to hit that problem again. What if we could fix that? Wouldn't that be kind of cool?
That would be kind of cool.
I think it would be kind of cool.
Yeah, I think so too. Especially it might be distracting the full-on mod war we are having going on here. Why am I having a pop-up here I can't remove?
And Thindardle is asking, are we persisting the state? That is what I'm thinking. So let's see if we can do that. So right now we have open call for paper, upcoming, lost, yada, yada, yada. I think we're gonna do, let's see here. We're gonna do confs. Let's actually save that one. Let's use that one. So conference counts, that's the class. Can I do this? Is this working? It is.
Why are you sounding so surprised?
Because I don't think it used to work.
Okay.
Conference counts. Let's call it conference counts. Something like that. So we're getting that. And we're also using all of those up here.
Mm-hmm.
So I am thinking we're going to do a null. It's going to be nullable.
Mm-hmm.
We might not have any.
Yeah.
But if we do, we want to
Count them.
Yeah. So let's grab that one. Let's do it like that. So basically what we're doing is we are adding conference counts, or we're supplying the conference counts to the variable conference counts, right?
Yeah.
And we can bring that. Let's just keep the code as intact as possible for now. Maybe we'll change it. So we're setting these different variables based on the content of the conference counts.
Right.
So right now, every time we go into uninitialized, we're going to get the state. But if we do it like this, we're saying, we're not saying that. Are we not saying
We're
that?
saying fancy red squiggly lines.
Is that
pretty
not
but annoying.
syntax? Am I?
He does not agree with you.
Totally blanking here. Is it this way?
Oh no, you lost it.
Is it? Maybe it's that. That might be the
Okay, so it
syntax,
was a little bit happier with.
I'm not usually using that, so.
So explain what it is.
So basically, what we're saying is that if conference counts is null, then do this.
Okay. Yeah.
And if it is not null, well, don't do it.
Yeah.
You're done. You have information. So here is the cool part.
Ternary operator. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know.
So
Awesome.
the thing with me is that I have no idea what all these stuff is called. I mean, I've learned it at some point, but it's like I don't know.
So naming is not only hard to come up with, it's also hard to remember.
Well, can barely pronounce it.
I pronounce it as if expression.
And I mean, it's string interpolation.
Yeah.
There's all these different. I'm like, well, you can have.
I
That's
know how to code it, but not how to pronounce it.
yeah, and the other one I never remember the name of. It's like when you use 3 quote signs instead of one, and it's like, well, it's string thingy quote. String 3 quote thingy.
Triple all your quotes.
But that
Raw
is
string literal.
See,
so you don't have to escape. Shove, no, he's helpful.
but that's kind of I can't get that to stay in my brain.
But I pronounce it as the best string.
You are not wrong.
Epic.
You are not wrong.
Love it. Love it.
Okay, so in .NET 10, we got the longest attribute name in the history. Luckily, that is one of those things that did not stick in my brain.
Yeah.
Because
it was like half a screen width.
And they renamed it.
Yeah, because half a screen width.
So the only thing we need to remember now is what we're doing. We're doing something. We're persisting and something state. So let's see if we can use that information to actually get somewhere. Persistent state. There we go.
That is a little bit better. I mean, even the load times got slower with that naming they had because it's so humongous.
The DLL on the server was like double the size. Exactly. We don't know what we're going to do with all of this data.
Yeah. I didn't even change anything.
So, but this, a property adding persistent state, and this line telling us, okay, so conference count, if it's null, do this. If it's not null, we're going to assume that you got the data somewhere else from the persistent state.
Yeah. So Thindel says, persist state across render mode and add some extra spice to your code. Also, He-Man is sucky show and I'll fight you on that. That's the name. Yeah, probably. I don't know. I don't live in his head.
Did you diss He-Man?
But he's so tiny. He's young.
But
he did. He confesses.
Battle Cat.
Battle Cat is awesome.
I know that.
Yeah. Thundercats, though. Okay.
Yeah.
Coming around. Yeah. The most crazy attribute in .NET, in Fulesnabel's humble opinion, is intercepts location attribute, aka come from attribute. Is Thindel banned from Svetug? No, he's one of us now. There's no banning.
Hey, Marcus got the name wrong.
Oh, yeah?
That's quite okay.
Oh, so that was...
We don't remember names.
Oh, yeah, you could have not said anything because we wouldn't have known. Yeah, names are hard.
Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. We still have the breakpoints. See what happens.
Svetug? There's always banning. Yeah, no. No banning from Svetug.
Right, let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Will it run on our Wi-Fi?
That's an important thing.
Well, it isn't our Wi-Fi. That's
pre-rendering.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
Will it blend? Yes. Everybody in green at once. Will it blend?
This should.
Come on, na.
It's not?
No.
There we go.
Oh, numbers.
So we went from pre-rendering, switching over to WebAssembly, and we got this up and running. I think it was a little bit slow.
Is the blend design app thing is still a thing? I wish. Blend was my jam. Yeah. Now I'm sad again. Rip Blend. Yeah, exactly. So amazing. And you could do designs there, and then you can switch that over to the developer, and they can do whatever they want and don't have to. Oh, yeah. And the UX was nice.
Good time.
I remember.
I love you, Lamb.
Oh, we need one of those as well for like the cat.
Yes.
Like the cat.
Gotta see if I can find I love you, Lamb.
Oh, there, I love you, lamp. Okay. Such reference humor, but it is involving cats, and we all know we all like cats, or a lot of us. First studio with dark mode blend was
Right.
Yeah.
That should be. That's important.
Blend for Visual Studio Insiders. Yeah, but it's not the same as the good one. Oh, it's actually called null operator. Okay. Or more normally the double. Okay. I love you, love.
And another thing that you can basically can't pronounce.
Yeah. Yes,
Thank you, Microsoft.
I said, really? In Java, it's called the Elvis operator? Okay.
I love you, Lamb. Shut up.
Yeah, sometimes reference humor is fun. So a cat with one of those cones. What do you call it? The don't lick your wound
This
cones.
cone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love you, love. That's a nice one.
Okay, so we got. If I reload this,
Easily distracted by cats.
boom, we're reloading. Let's see. There we go.
Yeah.
It's reloaded. Server, we already have the data.
Mm-hmm.
And boom, we're now
Nice.
downloading it. Now, I think it's still a little bit slow.
It is. But again, it might be...
It might be the connection.
Yeah.
There might be some things that we can do. But let's take a look at what we're doing here. This is also courtesy of ChatGPT.
Fair
So
warning.
we are getting the session for RavenDB, and we're getting datetime and date only. So what is the time right now? Because we need to set that to get these different values.
Yeah.
And we're creating a faucet, range faucet.
Facet. Yeah. Faucet, you get water from. Facet, it's like the diamonds have different facets, I guess. I'm just guessing.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
But we do have one of those. And we're setting the display name for all of those. And then we are doing a query using the index that we created. Or actually, we are getting back the result class, and we're using the index that we created.
Okay, so Thindel said that he has an idea, and I am correct. There you go. Very important to bring up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh. So, and we're adding these aggregate by and aggregate by, yada, yada, yada. And by doing this, we're getting back the count of all of these different values.
Right.
I think this is kind of cool that you can do these kinds of aggregations directly in the database. And then we are returning conference counts, and we're getting the value of open CFP, upcoming, new last 7 days, and new last 30 days. Kind of cool. I think so. I'm thinking that maybe we can increase the speed a little bit. Let's try it. Let's see if we can do that. If we go to our index page here.
We have readers!
Woo!
Welcome! Welcome! Code Rushed! Welcome! Friends of Code Rush are our friends.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Thindle! Everybody knows Thindle.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or do they know Zelda, his cat, and therefore also Zelda's human? Hmm?
Does Thindal have his own identity, or is it that Zelda's human?
I think it's like 70% Zelda's human.
Oh.
Just like we now with our Zelda is more well known than Zelda. Who doesn't know Zelda though? No, she doesn't. So we have a stray cat that we have been helping out and feeding and whatnot for like 6 months or so.
Mm-hmm.
She was really scared in the beginning, and now all of a sudden she's ghosting us, and she just comes like every other day instead. Now when it's winter, we have bought a house for her so she won't die during the. Well, she's welcome to come indoors, of course, but she doesn't like that. So we think that we got adopted as summer humans.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Quite possible.
Yeah, and we didn't put the box that the house came in outside, though. No, I know. They always like the...
didn't put the house out just yet either, so...
Well, there's that.
We'll get that. We'll get there. We'll fix it.
Yeah, as soon as she comes again.
Okay,
see,
so...
we had a cat tangent again.
Yeah,
as
I've
you
noticed.
do. Yes, you do. Sorry.
So...
I should have had my T-shirt that says easily distracted today, I think.
So the problem here is that we have pre-rendered on the server.
Mm-hmm.
We're waiting to get all the data until we're actually putting anything on the screen.
Right.
So what if we could put something on the screen a little bit earlier?
That would be amazing.
So we can get that on the screen as quickly as possible. Yeah. And then when the database is done, it's going to get
the correct data. Yeah. Yeah, that would be really nice.
It would, wouldn't it? So the cool thing here...
Like a skeleton shape data.
So the cool thing here is that we can use attribute and add...
And we get Zelda pics in the chat.
Rendering. Oh.
Yeah. You want to see Zelda? Here's Zelda.
Oh. So we're just adding attribute stream rendering.
Okay.
So that means that the server is going to pre-render the content as far as it can.
Right.
Send that over. And then it's going to have a promise telling it, you know what, we're going to have some more data. This does not have anything to do with Signal R or anything like that. It's going to have the same connection, basically, or more like a promise that more information is coming.
Okay.
As soon as it does, the page is going to update.
So it's like, have this for now. I will be right back with more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
So we're not getting the downside of Signal R. We need to have that constant connection or anything like that.
Yeah.
We're just getting a little bit of information, and I'm going to hold off. As soon as I got the more information, it's going to push that over as well.
And that will feel so much faster.
Yes. And I actually haven't checked this, but I believe that the download of WebAssembly, especially with .NET 10, is going to start earlier as well.
Oh.
Which means that it's going to get further along with the download and startup and all of that stuff. So let's see if that's true. see if we can.
I'm running on the server, but as soon as parameter set is done, we're going to switch over to WASM.
I'm not sure exactly if it is on parameter set or not.
It just loading the page once would be an improvement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But the problem with Blazor, or I don't want to say problem, but the problem with this architecture is that we have the pre-rendering and we also have the WebAssembly, and this is basically two completely different things.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first time we're loading, we're starting everything up, right? We're doing the indexes and all of that stuff. So let's see if it's better if I reload the page. You
Nothing.
see, very instant when it comes to the initial load.
Right.
Way faster, I would say.
Oh yeah, for sure. Because it sat for a minute. Well, not a minute.
So let's now, and we're already preloaded, and boom, we're got all the data.
Yeah.
And so we got all the data.
The first load took forever. Yeah.
That's why I talked around at the same time.
I should have showed more cat pictures.
Yeah. And this is why it's a.
That's not distracting at all. Or here, have some confetti. Yes, all you need is a spinning cat. I know, right?
Huh.
Spinning cat. Oh, you're going to have Pedro the raccoon, aren't you?
I can have what now?
Thindall said Pedro, yeah. Yeah, I'll add that to the list of stuff we should have put in
I can
years
have
ago.
Pedro spinner?
Pedro! Yeah. Okay, so now we tilted Jimmy.
I need to do a nougat package of this.
Sure.
A Blazor Pedro spinner.
I think you... Yes, you can! I think you tilted. So Jimmy has, let's say, a small obsession with raccoons. All your Blazor books, raccoons on the cover. So speaking of easily distracted, me, cats, him, raccoons.
So a friend of ours, he's like, I did a plugin, a stage coder plugin for Visual Studio, and I mean I've been talking at conferences and all of that stuff, and I showed him this plugin, and he was like, books, courses, all of that stuff. This is what you should be famous for. I think that the Pedro spinner is what I'm going to be famous for.
Yeah, sure.
Unless someone already done it, of course.
The ADHD feels strong here. Yeah, you're not wrong. Welcome to the family, where we get easily distracted by cats and other stuff. At least it's not squirrels. I'm not that stereotypical.
And you're like, squirrel.
No, cat. Cat and glitter and chocolate and brains.
Cat, glitter, and chocolate.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, that should be the name of my talk.
I wonder if that domain is free.
I listen to ADHD. I really like Highway to... Oh, a squirrel. Someone said chocolate. Well, Thindall started it. He showed a picture of his chocolate. Sorry. You were coding stuff. This is why I'm not the one coding, because Jimmy can actually keep a train of thought.
Can I?
Unless there's raccoons. If there's birds or cats or northern lights or whatever, I'm lost. Or glitter.
Actually, I have a what is the name of that?
What do you have?
So there is in one of my courses, I think it's the Blazor Advanced one. I have I wanted to show the possibilities of WebAssembly Blazor. So we're using I'm totally blank on every name, I think. We're using a animation format. Please chat help me. An animation format that I think it's Adobe that's behind it, so you can download it. So what we're doing is that we are creating a raccoon that is jumping up and down in Blazor WebAssembly.
Right. It's duck for you. Okay, did you know that they have 2 pairs of eyelids? One is transparent so they can see underwater while without getting debris in their eyes. Yeah, because endless knowledge of...
I did not know that.
Yeah, I have a lot of knowledge that lives rent-free in my head and nothing is useful. And the little what do you call it? It's not feet. Is it feet? It's something else. When they run, they are so sweet. They sound like See, now, yeah, you started it. I blame you. Oh gosh, yeah. Webbed feet.
There you go. It's feet. Feet.
Some things that can't be mentioned in... Oh, okay. Oh, with ducks, yeah, of course. Ducks can be evil as well. Well, all animals can be, so...
Quick time. Shouldn't it be quack time?
Quack time? Quack time? Quack time. Yeah, I like that.
But now we have pre-rendering. We got WebAssembly.
Yep.
We are not loading the data twice. We're getting all of that goodness. So,
SVG.
Time for confetti.
Whee!
At least I think so.
Oh, you can have confetti.
Thank
Can
you.
I have cat?
So if we jump into speakers, we can see
I
that
promise
it's
we are grown up.
probably loading. Your growing old is mandatory. Growing up is optional.
Yeah, that's true.
So we got some data. Let's jump in here. Let's see if
So
that's
for
working.
those of you who are rating, this is a page for speakers or attendees or organizers where you can find the next tech event. In our case, it's usually development conferences. So if you're a speaker, you know where you can submit your call for speakers. If you're an attendee, you know where you can go and you can search for, like, I want to go to India for a conference, but you don't know where it is. Or I only want to travel this and that many miles or kilometers or what have you. And for organizers, you can see what dates are good setting up your conference or event.
Yeah. So if we go into speakers here, we can see that these are open call for paper. And we can go into this site. It's apparently in Brazil. That's cool. We have a link to the call for paper site and also a link to the conference. That's basically what it
And sometimes
does.
there's an image as well.
Yeah. And we can do Sweet Hug, for example, because that's our conference.
Yeah.
Sweet Hug. There we go.
He recently got modded here because there was a fight between Thindol and him. So I evened the playing field. Yeah, I forced it on you. Yep. Yay, look at that. We have our little origami butterfly. So yeah, if you ever want to give a talk, shameless plug, submit your call for papers. It is open until tomorrow. So you will have 1 day.
1 day.
1 day. There was a nerd fight, yeah, for sure. But there was also a lot of cats and chocolate, so we're all friends.
But I think there is something.
What's a call for paper? Oh, good question. So if you are a speaker at conferences and events and stuff, usually what happens is we as an organizer send out call for speakers or call for papers. It's basically we use them. We use both of them. So if you want to speak at a conference, you look at the call for speakers or call for paper and you send in your suggestion. Like, I want to speak about UX and accessibility, and this is what it's going to, what I'm going to talk about. And Thindol, thank you for putting in the shameless plug URL. So we're always looking for new speakers, old speakers, good speakers, awesome people.
Yeah.
And I mean, if you're here, you're awesome. Especially if you came from Code Rush. And Thindle actually did submit.
I have done that too.
Yeah, I did that too. I'm not sure how's that. If I have some regrets.
So we got a problem. This is the production site.
Yeah. And the problem is that it's super cold.
Yeah, that's true. But
In
if
February.
we take a look at the development site, can you see something missing?
The temperature.
The temperature is missing.
Ah.
That's true. So I wonder what's going on. I actually don't have the answer. So we're getting the weather. We're getting weather time series. So let's jump into that one. Can I do that? No. Let's pop into... We're not getting
Are
any
you not
errors.
joining? Oh.
Let me see. This one, we got a... Where are you at? There we go. Next tech event client.
Mm-hmm.
Something weather. There we go.
Weather async?
Get conference. No, by weather. That's not the one.
So we have another.
Get conference. Not by weather.
That's the only one.
Get weather time series. There we go.
Oh.
So we're getting that one. API conference. Look at this. Could it be this? Is this the problem? Okay. So
It's been a while since we saw this code.
well, last week actually.
Oh, then I have no excuse for you.
Do you remember that we had a little bit of a problem with the conference ID because it did escape the data?
It escaped out and it
Yeah.
got all mumble jumbled.
I think that's one of the problems. So we're going to remove that. And then we have weather time series. Let's see if that's actually the whole problem.
Not that we want to show people that it might be -3 degrees in February when the conference is. But if you bring a jacket.
They know that to bring a jacket. That's
true.
The whole point.
That's true.
So all of this started with, I believe it was like we were doing, I think the idea was when we were going to Sydney, for NDC Sydney, and we were like, what's the weather like in Sydney?
Yeah.
And instead of like just checking the weather, we built this.
Over-engineered a web page.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't know, I don't know what I coded today. Last week is definitely gone. Yeah, that's true. That's true. And also, Thindle is true. He says if everybody knows to bring a jacket except Ed. Ed still doesn't bring a jacket. We should put that on our call for speakers. Will you bring a jacket? Or should one be provided for you? Yeah, it's a little bit
what
nippy.
We got. No, still nothing.
But then again, it's warm indoors, so
that's true.
We will be fine.
That is true. Okay, so we're getting there. Oh, right. So the other problem is that we got /API /conferences followed by the ID. And the ID is going to be /conference or conferences / the ID of the conference.
Yeah.
So it's going to have conferences twice, but that's just, well, we're using the full ID of RavenDB, and that's the document collection, conferences, followed by the ID. We could have, well, kind of removed that and had conferences /ID here, but it would be, the URL would be dependent on the collection in the database, and I felt that's not okay.
Not to your liking.
Not to my liking. So let's pop into, where do we have it? Here. we should have a lot of endpoints. So we've got some endpoints. By weather, that's not the one. Weather time series.
Right.
So conference ID. So if you go up here, we see that we have star ID. So anything is going to be the ID. If we have slashes and stuff like that, that's going to be the ID.
So hopefully that will solve the issue.
Yeah, so we need to do that here as well. I think, so why is this complaining? Oh, look at that. So this one can only be at the last position of the URL. So we need to kind of switch this over. Whoa, that's not what I wanted.
So we got a suggestion to switch to DuckDB instead, just because it's ducks, and apparently Thindle won't like that.
That might be enough of a reason, I think. So we're doing it like this instead. We're saying conferences /weather/ the ID of the conference.
Right.
And we need to update that, not there, but here. Come on. There we go. So instead of that, we want weather.
Or wrath.
Rather.
Rather, is that when you're getting even more angry?
That's when I'm angry at the weather. It's raining. It's been raining for like 2 days now.
Yeah, pouring down.
And the problem with rain is, well...
You get wet.
That's true. But also the cat don't like it.
Yeah.
So she's not coming here.
Yeah.
And I don't like it, so I'm not going outside.
No, Jimmy is literally... I don't know if you've seen that meme or TikTok or whatever it was, where a person runs after the cat like, heal me, because they've seen what do you call it, studies that cats can actually heal you. But who is Ed? That's Ed Charbonneau from
Progress.
Yeah. Thindle is going to have a jacket with his name on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Telerik Progress. Or Progress Telerik. One of the, or both of them. That one. Vague memory that he streamed before. Yes, indeed. For sure.
He's probably still doing it. I don't know.
Might be. The Blazor Hour.
Yes.
There you go.
Blazor Power Hour.
Oh, Power Hour,
Yeah.
right. And he has this sticker with the power, what do you call it, glove thingy.
And he has the most epic start video.
He does?
Mm-hmm. I'm in it.
Oh my gosh, come on.
It's true. I am. With a ZX Spectrum behind me.
Yeah, cool.
Look at that.
We do have cold weather.
It is confetti time. She's like,
confetti!
oh, we're going to have confetti. We're going to have but I'm refusing to use it.
But the cat is cat. See? It's vibing it. Sorry.
I hate myself for this.
What now? I can do both?
Imagine this. Confetti. And then a cat rushing in, getting all the confetti. Yep.
Oh my god. I just tilted. Like trying to catch all of the little confettis.
Or jumping in straight into the confetti.
This needs to happen. Now put the cat in your layout.racer behind keyboard shortcut. So we can use it if we know the super secret combination. On any page we want. Ooh, like a Easter egg. You unlock the cat. Mark Miller could do all that on Code Rush. Yeah. put in a request. So I need a cat.
Did you know
Take
that?
care. Thank you for dropping by.
Did you know that Mark Miller was working on the stage show, I believe, of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? He was talking about that in our podcast.
Yeah,
which is
pretty cool.
Really cool.
It's pretty cool.
I mean, he has done so many really cool stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, he's been coding with a Guitar Hero guitar.
Guitar?
With what is called Code Rush, right?
Right, the
their
software.
plugin,
Yeah.
DevExpress plugin for using in Visual Studio. I used it for years. I loved it, and I had I had a question like, I think this kind of functionality would be nice. So I messaged Mark and I'm like, oh, I have an idea, this and that, and I don't think it took like 10 or 20 minutes or something like that. That's a great idea. Here's the add-in. I'm like, what? He was like super fast. And I mean, I was just looking for a little bit of help. I could have done it myself, I guess. But he was like, yep, here it is. It's working.
And yes, Mark Miller was at Svetug. That is correct.
And he's also one of the hosts of your
my
favorite podcast.
Favorite podcast ever. It's on my bucket list to be a guest on that show.
Are you not remembering the name either?
Mondays.
Yeah, right.
Fair warning. If you find it, be careful because it's not safe for
anyone.
Grown-ups either. It is how I started to listen to .NET Rocks.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's not talk about that anymore. But actually, Mark said that he would okay me being a guest if they could ever get together again. But they live in
they live in the same country?
No.
Oh,
they do not.
Right.
They live
moved.
like super spread out. Yeah,
right.
so it's at least 3 countries that they are trying to figure out. So
yep. Oh,
yeah,
right.
he used to host .NET Rocks way back in
Canada, the US, and wherever Mark is living. Yeah, that's true. Ask Nicole Goldstein about writing books.
Isn't Mark in Valencia? He might be. Yeah, I always get that confused. France? Oh.
Some European place.
Yeah,
I believe. Yeah.
Not the U.S. Not the same place as the other hosts. Let me.
We should.
Put it that way.
I actually talked to Mark or messaged him just the other day, and just casually mentioned
we can
that
casually invite. I mean, his wife has been. She was here when he was here, and then we need Richard, and Richard will.
Technically, I believe all 4 was at Svetug.
Yeah, but not at the same time.
Yeah, I think Carl was there as well.
Did we? How did we not? Oh, that is such a missed opportunity.
I think all of them was at the same time.
You are kidding.
Yeah.
How did? Wow. I should be ashamed of myself.
Sweet.
Karen is great, but she has one major drawback. Her name is Karen. Yeah, but she can. She can take it. She is one fierce lady.
Let's see here.
Doesn't fit her name. Oh, have you listened to Mondays? She's not a troublemaker. She's amazing.
Was that in Gothenburg, wasn't it? I think.
No, that was Stockholm.
Was it Stockholm?
It was Stockholm.
Okay. Yeah,
sure.
Right. Because I remember.
Yeah, because
was it last year?
I'm always sick when it's.
Oh, that's true.
When it's Gothenburg, we have had it 3 times, and I've only been there once because stupid body.
No Mark.
He built a calculator with AI earlier, giving himself 20 minutes to do it. Wow, yeah.
So Mark Miller.
There we go.
Was this not?
No, I think that's the year when we couldn't get Richard.
Is that true?
Well, Control F.
You mean I can search for him as well?
You can search for more than one thing in one
Richard.
page.
Richard.
Nope. I think they came different years. I think
you're
Richard
right.
was there the year before.
And I don't think Carl
No, that was a year earlier when Maddie was there and they were doing the entertainment.
Oh, you're right.
Yep, I know.
Right.
I'm always right.
And if you're watching this, no person in particular, but if you want to sponsor Sweet Hug, we are looking for sponsors right now.
We are.
You can always...
and we have super early bird tickets still on sale.
Yeah.
Still haven't gotten the images up though. But yeah, they are at least, I think it's like...
super early, 15 tickets remaining.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Oh, and where and when did I meet Jimmy in real life for the first time? And Fule Snabel and Stace, that would be Gothenburg when I was sick.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We could go all the way we drove to Gothenburg and I was like, I am not feeling right. Go to bed and then I'm sick as a dog the next day. So I'm doing all the admin stuff I can in the hotel room.
And had to drive home the 2 days later.
Yeah, that was not.
And you were like, I'm okay. And as soon as you just closed the door behind you, you just collapsed, basically.
Yeah, that's what you saw.
Okay.
I was okay. And we were driving together with a couple of other friends who was also going to Stockholm. So they actually volunteered to, they offered to drive our car as well because they saw I wasn't feeling well, but I was taking ibuprofen and all of that, so I could manage until we were like 30 minutes out. Then I was like, I don't know if we should stop or not. But yeah.
Thank you for not telling me.
You're welcome. I don't know if that's good or bad.
It's really bad. It's really bad.
So would you rather I say I don't feel good?
Yeah, because then I would say, let's just grab a hotel.
And 20 minutes from home, 30 minutes from home, that's like Haninge. No, that's not going to happen. Energy drink, ibuprofen, vitamin. Don't do what I do.
No,
never. Don't do. No, for sure you will get permanently ill. Ask me how I know. I love to travel up being in the hotel room from the entire time sick. Yeah, I know, right? That's amazing.
I did that for a tech bash. We were traveling the whole way to where was that? Pennsylvania, somewhere.
What are we talking? Oh, right.
Bash.
That is in Poconos in Pennsylvania. Yeah.
They had this indoor water park. It was
amusement thingy.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Humongous.
I was so stoked. And I also we cut our trip. I was talking at Oradev in Sweden just the day before. We cut that.
Well, you had to switch it up to take an earlier slot because we had a flight to catch.
Yeah, so I did my talk. We went over to Denmark. We flew from there, and we had to switch planes and all of that stuff. I was super stoked about this conference, and we arrive. We get something to eat, and
at the resort.
Yeah, and I get so freaking sick. Yeah. I was
food poisoning.
Removing the food in a very
Well, I think food poisoning will. Yeah. I think people will understand what you're.
Probably.
Yeah. So for once, I was happy. I'm allergic to meat, so I didn't have the Jimmy burger.
And I was like, well, if I do my business now, I'm probably okay for 1 or 2 hours. So I should be able to pull the session. And I think we actually had 2 sessions as well.
Yeah.
So I was like, I think if we can put them back to back, I might be able to just push through. I did not.
No.
I did not.
No.
That was not.
But that was the best audience I've ever spoken.
You're welcome.
You're well. What do you mean? I had a session
Yeah.
on my own
Yeah,
merits.
but my point being, if I were there and saw it, it wouldn't have been that
right.
perfect
You mean like that?
audience.
Yeah. No, it was in the U.S. and Americans are quite good at giving visual feedback and auditory feedback and what have you. They smile. They're not like us in Scandinavia where we don't say anything and just have resting bitch face. So yeah, it was amazing, especially coming and speaking about UX, which unfortunately a whole bunch of developers doesn't care about. But that was very,
The best
very
one
nice.
ever. And I wasn't there to film it.
Yeah, I know. So it never happened, so it doesn't count.
Never happened.
Oh no! Oh yeah, Thindel was going to speak at Svetuk Stockholm with Alyssa, but his lungs decided to hate him. Yeah, that is true, and it hated him forever. This summer, Fulesnabel got Borrelia. Oh no! Oh, 7 hours from Stockholm to Oslo? Ooh, ouch. That does not sound awesome. Whew.
I had Borrelia once back in my military service, and luckily, I had absolutely no symptoms. I had the ring
Yeah.
and nothing else. It was. I'm gonna sound like a certain president. It was the biggest ring that he. It
the
was
doctor
bigly,
ever seen. Yeah.
no symptoms, and they were like, "Here, read about Borrelia," and I'm like, feeling sick. I do feel a little bit sick. It's like this, and I do have.
Jimmy can't read any side effects without getting
No.
them
I usually
psychosomatically.
Yeah, so I'm telling Jessica, like, so I took some kind of medication. I'm like, could you read this? I feel this. Could you read if that is one of the symptoms?
Yeah.
I don't just want one. I don't want them all.
You had Borrelia once as well without the symptoms? Oh, but this time, yeah. Fever and... Oh, wow.
That sucks.
And trains for 7 hours, a chore on its own. Jeez, yeah.
And this is why we don't go outside.
Well, yeah, that is.
And live in the country. Wait a minute.
Yeah. We missed that.
Mm-hmm. We missed that memo.
Orist is a dangerous place. When we moved out here in middle of nowhere, for the first time we realized we need to get the TB
vaccine.
Yeah, for sure. But nothing so far. But I mean, we have a lot of wildlife here, so it's just a matter of time, I guess. Don't want to risk that. Okay, so where are we at? We have the weather.
We have the weather. And I don't know what else we're going to do today, to be honest.
They live so much in the middle of nowhere that the Postal Service don't believe the address exists. Actually,
That's
the
true.
ambulance don't think our address exists. They tried for 45 minutes to get a non-emergency ambulance here. Could not, because we have 2 characters in our address, and most system requires 3. So if you're a developer and you work with addresses, please make it 2.
We were
not distracted trademark.
We're gonna sell some stuff tomorrow. Some things that we don't need. And this is to someone that lives nearby.
She lives in the closest village that we kind of belong to.
And she's like, "Is that the full address?" Yeah.
Yes. So on all the delivery services, like the postal office and what have you, I have written in the comment section, yes, this is our full address. Take this exit. Go there. There we are. Sell stuff? How dare you? Tell me more. Well, there was a lady in the marketplace for the little village here that asked if anybody had a certain sofa chair. And we had 4 of them that the previous owners just left and dumped here. So that's what they're going to get. You put the what 3-word triplets in the comment section. You could put the what 3 words triplet in the comment section.
Did I miss something?
I think I did too. I'm easily distracted. Are you finally going to get my guest house livable?
You never heard of what 3 words? No, I haven't.
Tell me more. Well, we're removing 3 of those sofa chairs. So there will be more space to move the cupboard thingy. So we can actually start to unpack this stuff that has been sitting there for 2 years. Yeah. What is the what 3 words?
Now I'm invested.
Yeah, me too. Here, have a cat in the meanwhile.
But while we're waiting for that, these are all the APIs that we're moved over.
Right.
So we got a couple of things here. We got virtualize. I'm not sure if that's in use. We got get conferences sync. This is also for, I think these are actually not in use. I think we decided not to use them. We were doing the virtualized thing in the beginning. So we just scroll and scroll and scroll. But I think we ended up using paging. So we might not use that. Conference by user. This is also, I mean, we're not going to send in the user ID. That's the way we're doing on the server side. We're gonna get the user, the current user, and use that, the logged in user, so that we don't have to send that.
Yeah.
Same thing here, statuses. That's changing the status, update from calendar, all of that stuff. So I think we got a bunch of stuff that we might want to take a look at next time.
Yeah.
To add all of this stuff. I think just going through them one by one, adding it is probably a good idea.
Yeah, well, it wasn't a good idea to just add all of them at the same time because boom.
Yeah, and also,
happened.
I mean, for this one, we don't want to. If you know the user ID, we don't want anyone to be able to see whether or not I'm going to speak at that conference. This is like confidential information. So we definitely don't want to expose that in the API.
Yeah. So what3words.com is a website where they overlay a 3x3 meter grid over the world and give each grid 3 words. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Need to look that up. And Thindal says, I'd like to be able to do a from body on get request instead of just abusing the query string to get my filtering in there.
I think...
but for some reason, someone decided to not support that in the spec.
Yeah, I don't think that's supported. That's what I'm going to say.
Yeah.
But I agree. I have a thing at work where we're sending in a lot of information, too much of information that we're not going to be able to use the query string for it, at least not reliably. And since we need to do that, I had to use post, even though it's actually a get.
Oh.
So the
nice workaround.
When we're talking about REST APIs, we're using the different verbs for different things.
Yeah.
So get would be get.
Mm-hmm.
Post would be
not
I think it's create new. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then we have put, which is update, yeah. And then we have patch, which would be update just a small thing on that item. And then we have delete, of course, which is...
Put is create.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is... what is post then? I think isn't post create and put update?
Or is just send everything as post. Oh, Thindle is dummy, thinks. You got it twisted. Jimmy's right, yeah. Oh, don't say that out loud.
Screenshot, everyone.
And return the result, code embedded in JSON.
JSON isn't like soap the new thing? No? Okay.
I'm all confidently saying something wrong. Put is update. I associate the U input with the U in update. Soap is the goat.
And that is not an acronym.
Soap
Just
or goat?
Goat. This
Greatest of all time.
No. Yeah, that's one.
Yeah.
But soap is actually a freaking goat. Bah! That's what we're looking for.
No. You're looking for. Oh, we should have one of those as well. Oh no, then I can't be trusted with the what do you call it? The llama that screams and the goats that screams. Ooh, I cannot be trusted with those.
No, we're not gonna have those. No.
But it would be so much fun. And a husky. Can I have husky?
Well, every time I'm like, oh my god, I guess a husky could just pop in.
Any technology that has a paid or pays my mortgage is a definition of my god. Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Does soap eat grass? Good question.
And it gets really confusing because you find the soap in the restroom. It's like, what are we even doing?
Yeah, and you can rest on the mattress as well. There was like the smart mattress that was connected to, they were selling it as you can see how you're sleeping, but it also took motion, if you get my hint about adult fun time. So you can get like a point system after the completely insane.
But it was also marketed as infidelity.
Yeah. Oh right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. The video, the ad they had was you will get a notification if your significant other is bouncing on the bed in a certain way. Like, come on, people.
That's how we're gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I always suspected. Yeah, that's. Let's buy a new mattress, honey.
But they did have like a REST API. It was a mattress. Yeah.
It's obviously a REST API. Yeah.
Must be. Oh, Thindle, you can come out from your hiding under the bed. But give it a few years and they'll go back to some GraphQL tech because they are sick of maintaining 10 million different hard-coded queries. And the wheel turns.
10 million.
When having fun, every bounce send a uh-oh notification to one of the phones. Well, that was basically what they were doing. And you could... They also showed you an animated graph of where in the bed said motion was when you're out of your bedroom, and when your partner apparently is having an affair.
Did you just age yourself?
Nobody knows. Only the people that are in my age category will know I made that sound. And also, Thindle wrote it like that, didn't you?
Thindle
is not old enough.
Might not have even used it.
I think he has.
Probably, yes.
Yeah, because he's an early adopter of tech thingies. You see, he did. Not a day older than 20, right? I'm
Um,
not a child. Well, you compared to me, you are.
but you also said He-Man,
ICQ.
the TV series He-Man is not, well, I don't know.
Uh-oh. Yeah, those were the days.
We have a part at work, which is called ICQ. I think it's insurance company query. And I'm like, everyone, oh, we're going to do something with ICQ. And I'm like, what? What?
Is that still a
How
thing?
old technology are we using? And I'm doing it every time. You can't reuse acronyms. That messes with my brain.
Oh, yeah. You
Oh,
still remember your ICQ number, 7 digits long. But yeah, they killed it off.
and we're also doing a new project.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very important. The first thing we're going to do is an MVP. And I'm like, what?
Microsoft value.
Yeah.
What does it stand for? I don't even know anymore.
Minimum valuable product is
Viable.
is what they are.
Viable, not valuable.
Yeah, I thought. Well,
I think we got them too mixed up.
yeah, yeah. It's like most valuable product. No, viable. I have no idea anymore.
We should not overload acronyms. We actually talk about that
We switch over to this one.
in one of our podcasts.
Yeah, the one with Tim Corey.
Tim Corey, yeah. Because people are doing that way too much.
Yeah.
I remember an ICQ story where a friend of mine sent an ICQ message to her friend that is the CEO. That CEO is such a moron. Oh, but you send it to the CEO instead. Ooh, ouch. Most valuable player or minimal viable product or Microsoft valuable professional? No.
No, Microsoft is not the M. Most valuable
Most
professional.
valuable. Yeah, that's why it sounded
So it's MMVP.
MMVP. Who remembers AIM? Oh, MS Messenger. We actually did bots. Well, you did the coding and I did the... back in the day when we didn't have ChatGPT, I was ChatGPT, looking everything up. Jimmy wrote a piece of software called the TV program where you can basically see the listings and get notice like 15 minutes before the show starts, because back in the day we didn't have that many channels, so it made sense. And that's actually how we met. I was beta testing his software like 25 years ago. But the MSN Messenger, you could write bots. So you could add the TV program to ask your friend and you could ask it questions. And I lost faith in the humankind. Most question was about the OC, the series, which I have answered 5 million answers on. Never seen the show, in text, of course. But the amount of questions that basically was, what are you wearing and stuff like that, it's a freaking bot.
So basically what we had a bunch of things that was related to the TV listing. So you could ask what's on TV3 at 8.
Yeah.
And the cool thing here was that 8, we don't use AM or PM in Sweden, so we have 8 or 20. I think that's right.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
You did your clockwork correctly.
Yes. But we usually say 8, even morning or evening. So I had to have a little bit of logic there. So if you said 8 in the evening, it would actually go and use 20 instead. And also tonight would be 20 and stuff like that. So it was kind of a fun logic to figure all of that out.
Yeah.
And then we had, what was that called? It was not called SAML, but something like that. It was a specific format where you could add questions and it could give back answers that was kind of the
Yeah, kind of like if this then answer that
but
thing.
not word by word.
Yeah.
It would
It was kind
figure
of
out.
advanced for its time.
Yeah, it's
because
basically an AI, but
manual AI. Yeah.
and you, as you mentioned, you wrote down all the answers. Who is in Friends? What is this? What is that? And then for the questions that we didn't know, we saved them so that we would know. Okay, these kinds of questions are asked. We can fix this. We can add this information, and that's where we found all of these.
Yeah, very.
Like,
who asks a bot with the MSN logo, like the original bot looking thingy, like the ball? Well, who asks what it's wearing? Literally, it's software. Why did I have to answer stuff like that? That's yeah, and I'm too nice to just say you suck. Or go home, you're drunk or something. I should have done that. Yeah. But now
circuit board. So what are you asking?
Yeah. Oh, Thindle is a data hoarder. I still have MSN Messenger logs in XML format. Yeah.
And that's why you need more hard drives all the time.
Yeah, that is true. I miss stuff.
So I think we're not going to start anything new.
Yeah.
We
finally got the temperature up in the studio.
Yeah. And the temperature inside of the application.
That's true.
So we got the site running, WebAssembly, pre-rendered, not loading data twice. We got not loading 700 conferences from the server. We're getting there. We're at a better state right now.
Yeah.
Next up, we're going to do all the logged in stuff. We're going to do that next week, yes?
Mm-hmm.
There is a week where I'm not going to be home, so, well, I guess you can... That's the Jess Codes stream.
Come on. So I shouldn't show you this or tell you this, but Thindle switched up from 20 terabytes to 100 terabytes. Yeah.
How many stars is there in the universe?
Yeah, as many terabytes as Thindle has.
Yeah.
I think.
Probably.
So I'll put my air mattress up there when another friend is visiting and using the normal guest room. Well, we do have, we still have the extra bed in my room, in my office.
Why?
But I missed why we got to that. Did I miss something? I'm about to switch up, yeah. And then, so I'll put an air mattress up there when another friend is visiting and use. So 1.5 weeks. Oh, okay. So you're talking about our mutual friend. I'm guessing. But yeah, we still have the bed set up in my our mutual friend. We still have the extra bed in my office behind the bookshelf since our mutual friend's kid slept there. Am I welcome? You're always welcome. Even when you don't bring your cat. No, she doesn't travel well, so we can't do that to her.
I have not seen that.
Well, I have it on good authority that she's not very fond of riding in a car. So let's not do that. Okay, so are we rating? Yeah, she does not like travel. And again, it's gone from my... didn't I fix this?
I thought you did.
I thought I did too, but I know that Thindle has the power to rate as well. And he's the one that knows all the awesome people. She likes sleep, though, and food. Yeah, just like me. If I was a cat, I would be her size.
So can you rate Tyndall?
I think he can. You
I
can't?
yeah.
We checked it today and it said you should be able to. Okay,
I need
yeah.
to figure that one out.
Let's do that. Well, if you're coming up, let's fix it. Because I didn't find like a God level
God level.
mod. I need to be super mod. There's no super mod that we had to choose from. Okay, so let's try.
Do you need the?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, editor! Thank you. Thank you.
Do we really want Tyndall to be an editor? Do we trust him? I don't know.
Well, he's coming up, so he needs to be nice. So yeah, I think we can trust him. Oh well, okay, that makes sense. Awesome. So thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you
In
next
a week.
time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care.